Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our third chapter, Computer Network. At the end of the chapter, students will be able to know about networking, network components, types of network, advantages of networking, disadvantages of networking, network topologies, network architecture. So, students, first of all, I will tell you about computer network. A computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication. द बेस्ट नोन कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज द इंटरनेट। सबसे बेस्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क कौन सा है? इंटरनेट। नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज नेटवर्किंग? ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज ए सेट ऑफ कंप्यूटर कनेक्टेड टुगेदर फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ शेयरिंग रिसोर्स। द मोस्ट कॉमन रिसोर्स शेयर टुडे इज कनेक्शन टू द इंटरनेट। सबसे कॉमन रिसोर्स कौन सा है? इंटरनेट। अदर शेयर्ड रिसोर्स कैन इंक्लूड ए प्रिंटर और ए फाइल सर्वर। Server means a computer that stores information that a number of computers can share. Computers क्या करते हैं? Information share करते हैं. The internet itself can be considered as a computer network. The internet itself can be considered as a computer network. Computers on a network are called nodes. Computer on a network are called as nodes. Communication links can be copper wire, fiber optics, microwaves, infrared and communication satellites. These links allow the network component to work together. ये सब जो लिंक है ये काय के लिए काम आते हैं? साथ में काम करने के लिए. These links allow the network component to work together. All the components are working together. Computer networks can be of any size. A computer network can be created connecting two computers or million of computers. Also it can connect two computer or million of computer. नेटवर्क क्या कर सकता है? दो कंप्यूटर या मिलियन ऑफ कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट कर सकता है. नाउ सी दिस इज ए नेटवर्क रिंग. ये कौन सी रिंग है? नेटवर्क रिंग. नाउ सी व्हेन योर computer is a part of network using a cable or some other communication channels, you can become a network user. You can become a network user. Now you can share files, folders and computer hardware such as printers attached with one computer to another computer. आप क्या शेयर कर सकते हो? फाइल फोल्डर. ओके. कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर सच एज प्रिंटर्स अटैच one computer to another computer. This usual resource referred to as local resource. This usual resource referred to as local resources. Network can be classified into LAN, MAN and WAN. Okay. Network can be classified into LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN means what? LAN का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. मैन मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क and WAN means wide area network. Now see network components. To establish wire networking in a group of computers, we require the following additional components. Now we will see students about one number, network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network. A network card काय के लिए यूज किया जाता है? Physically attached to a computer network so that it can be participate in network communication. So it can be participate in network communication. Ethernet network card is the most commonly used network card. Okay. नेटवर्क कार्ड इज इंटरफेस कंट्रोलर. नेटवर्क कार्ड क्या है? एक इंटरफेस कंट्रोलर है. And also hardware component. It is also hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. Also it can help to connect a computer to a computer network, जिससे आप कंप्यूटर को कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के साथ क्या कर सकते हो? कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट सेकेंड नंबर, केबल्स. See this is a cable. Okay. In this picture, cables are required to connect computers. Cables are required to connect computers and resource on a network. Various kinds of cables can be used depending on the type and size of the network. They are the information transfer medium on a computer network. वो क्या है, एक इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर मीडियम है ऑन ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू वन एग्जांपल. द डाटा केबल दैट कनेक्ट्स योर मॉनिटर. डाटा केबल क्या करता है, आपका मॉनिटर को कनेक्ट करता है. द डाटा केबल दैट कनेक्ट्स योर मॉनिटर टू योर कंप्यूटर अलाउड टू डिस्प्ले पिक्चर ऑन मॉनिटर. इट इज अलाउइंग to display a picture on the monitor. Okay, now see 3 number, hubs and switches. Hubs and switches. Network cards are used to send and receive data. Network cards are used to send and receive data being transmitted over Ethernet cables. When a network has more than 2 computers, we cannot directly connect all computers together. जब नेटवर्क 2 कंप्यूटर्स हैज़ मोर देन 2 कंप्यूटर्स, 2 से ज़्यादा अगर कंप्यूटर होते हो क्या क्या नहीं कर सकते, वी कैनॉट कनेक्ट ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स टुगेदर. वी नीड एन इंटरफेस थ्रू विच द कंप्यूटर्स कैन बी कनेक्टेड एंड सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग ऑफ डाटा कैन टेक प्लेस. दिस फंक्शन इज परफॉर्म बाय हब और ए स्विच. Hub were the prepaid medium in earlier times, but now switches are being used because of their better efficiency. Okay students, now hub, they are passive device. hub क्या है, ये hub passive device है. they don't have any software associated with it. it is don't have any software associated with it. and switches, they are active device. switches क्या है, ये एक एक्टिव डिवाइस है. equipped with network software. equipped with network software. Now see 4 number, access points or routers. access points or routers. These have a wireless antenna. इसे क्या है, एक वायरलेस एंटीना है which increases the communication range of the radio signal. which increases the communication range of the radio signal. Access point can also be used to join a wire network. Also, it can be also used to join a wire network, thus making the network a combination of wire as well as wireless network. Now see access point. access point is a sub device. access point क्या है, एक सब डिवाइस है with the local area network. it is a local area network that provides another location for device. वो क्या करता है, दूसरा जो लोकेशन है, अनदर जो लोकेशन है वो प्रोवाइड करता है. and router acts as a hub. okay, routers act as a hub that set up a local area network. Also this can be set up a local area network and manage all the devices. Also it can manage the all the devices and communication in it. Now see students, types of network. We will see now types of network. Networks are of different types and sizes. network क्या है, different types में और sizes में. Distance is important as a classification metric because different techniques are used at different scales. Different types of network are as follows. Now see students, some are the different types of networks are there. Okay, that we will see now. Number 1, LAN. LAN means what? Local area network. Now we will see about LAN. LAN refers to a network that connects computers spread over a limited geographical area. ये एक limited geographical area में क्या हुए है, spread. Are such as a school building, adjacent building, etc. School building में और adjacent building में. In LAN, 2 or more computers and peripheral devices are connected. 2 or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area. स्मॉल एरिया में ये क्या है, कनेक्ट किए गए हैं. इन दिस नेटवर्क कंप्यूटर टर्मिनल्स आर फिजिकली कनेक्टेड विथ वायर्स. इन दिस नेटवर्क कंप्यूटर टर्मिनल्स आर फिजिकली कनेक्टेड विथ वायर्स. ये लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क इज ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. ये भी कौन सा नेटवर्क है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है. डैट इंटरकनेक्ट कंप्यूटर्स विद इन ए लिमिटेड एरिया. ये सिर्फ लिमिटेड एरिया में ही कनेक्ट किए जा सकते हैं. See this LAN, okay, in middle school. Now see second number, MAN, metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network covers a city or a town. ये क्या कवर करते हैं, सिटी और ए टाउन. The best known example of MAN is the cable television network available in many cities. Metropolitan area network is wider than that of a local area network. Metropolitan area क्या है, is wider than that of a local area network. Okay. मैन ए मेट्रोपोलिटन इज ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. ये भी क्या है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है दैट इंटरकनेक्ट्स यूजर्स विद कंप्यूटर रिसोर्सेज इन geographical region. See this is a MAN means what, metropolitan area network. Now see, we will see now 3 number, WAN, wide area network. This kind of network connects two or more computers. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at far away places. दो से ज़्यादा आप क्या कर सकते हो, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signal. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. The most common example of WAN type network is what? Telecom system. The uses of WAN is limited to a very large organization and government agencies. The main characteristics of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. The best example of WANs are, some are the WAN examples are there. WAN क्या है, wide area network है, is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area for the primary purpose of a computer networking. Now see, the best example of WAN are internet and internet in a large multinational company. ATM facility is the result of WAN. ATM facility क्या है, is the result of WAN. Multinational bank customer service. These are the examples of WAN. Okay. Internet and internet in a large मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. ATM फैसिलिटी इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ वैन. ATM की जो फैसिलिटी हो क्या है, एक टाइप का रिजल्ट है वैन का. मल्टीनेशनल बैंक कस्टमर सर्विस. नाउ वी विल सी एडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्किंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स हैज मेनी एडवांटेजेस. नेटवर्किंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर हैज मेनी एडवांटेजेस. दे आर, नंबर 1, communication. Okay. Number 1 is what? Communication. A computer can provide a powerful communication. कंप्यूटर क्या करता है, एक पावरफुल कम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. मीडियम अमंग पीपल. A computer can provide a powerful communication medium among people. For example, in a large company, the employees and computers may be scattered in many countries. They have to communicate and send daily report to each other using email facility. वो क्या करते हैं, उन्हें रोज कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ता है. तो किस तरह करते हैं, सेंड डेली रिपोर्ट टू ईच अदर यूजिंग बाय ईमेल फैसिलिटी. ओके. सपोज कंप्यूटर कम्युनिकेशन डिस्क्राइब ए प्रोसेस इन 2 or more computers devices are transfer डाटा ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. दे आर यूजिंग ईमेल फैसिलिटी फॉर दोज पर्पजेस. नाउ सी सेकेंड नंबर, allows file sharing. Allows file sharing means is the public sharing of computer data. Okay. एक public sharing है. Computer networking allows accessibility for the people to share their files easily. Also they can share their files easily. This greatly helps the people in saving their time or effort, since they could already share some of the important files they need to share with other people effectively and accordingly. Okay. इससे क्या होता है, allow share फाइलिंग से is the public sharing of computer data or space in a network. कंप्यूटर डाटा आप क्या कर सकते हो, पब्लिक के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो. नाउ सी थर्ड नंबर, रिसोर्स शेयरिंग. रिसोर्स शेयरिंग, this benefit is very important particularly for larger companies that really need to produce huge numbers of resources to be shared to all the people. Also, it can be shared to all the people. Since the technology involves computer based work, it is assured that the resource they wanted to get across would be completely shared by connecting to a computer network which their audience is also using. Okay, audience is also using this a computer network. See, this resource sharing means that you are collaborating with one or more libraries. Okay, now see, flexible to be used, flexible to be used. Computer networking is known to a very flexible. Okay, computer network क्या है, ये बहुत ही flexible है. Since you are given the chance to explore everything about the software without affecting its functionality, you will have accessibility to all the information that needs to be shared. सब information आप क्या कर सकते हो, share कर सकते हो. Flexible is the in the computer world may refer to हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. फ्लेक्सिबल कंप्यूटर वर्ल्ड में क्या रेफर करता है, हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ सी, it increases cost efficiency, it increases cost efficiency. Without computer networking you can use a lot of software product. Without computer networking you can use a lot of software product. आप बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट क्या कर सकते हो, यूज़ कर सकते हो बिना कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के. अवेलेबल ऑन द मार्केट which can just be stored or installed in your system or server and can then be used by various workstation. Okay, and then can be used by various types of workstation. Workstation क्या है, is a special computer designed for technical or scientific application. Workstation क्या है, is a special computer designed for technical or scientific application. Okay, it increases cost efficiency, it increases a cost efficiency. Now see, डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. अभी हम क्या देखेंगे, डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. फर्स्ट नंबर, प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर वायरस एंड अदर मालवेयर. ओके, प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर वायरसेस एंड अदर malware. These are instance that the stored file you have in your gadget. Okay, these are instance that the stored file you have in your gadget is already destroyed because there are already viruses. Okay, there are already viruses that corrupt your file. उससे क्या हो जाता है, आपकी जो फाइल हो क्या हो जाती है, करप्ट हो जाती है. मतलब वो कौन से यूज़ किया आपके लिए नहीं रहती. Hence you need to have regular checkup. Used to have you Hence you have need to have a regular checkup on your gadget at the same time. On your gadget at the same time means on your desktop you can check that. You have to open that file at the same time to the stored file you have. Okay, जो भी कुछ फाइल आपने स्टोर की है आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, डेली उसे ओपन करना पड़ता है, देखना पड़ता है कि वो करप्ट हुई है या नहीं. ओके, मीन्स ए वायरस इज ए स्मॉल प्रोग्राम. वायरस क्या है, एक स्मॉल प्रोग्राम है डिजाइन टू कॉज ट्रबल. ये क्या करता है, ट्रबल कॉज करता है. एक्सेस टू योर डिवाइस, आपके डिवाइस को क्या होता है, ये ट्रबल कर सकता है. नाउ सी, लैक ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. लैक ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. since computer networking is a process operated through computers, people are already relying more of the works of the computer rather than exerting an effort for their works. Lack of independence, students, means PC organizing. It is a PC organizing include a procedure that is work utilizing your computer. Okay, it is a procedure that is work utilizing the computer. Okay. Now see, it lacks robustness. It lacks robustness. It is a it is the ability of a computer system. If a computer network's main server breaks down the entire system, जो सर्वर ब्रेक डाउन करता है पूरे एंटायर सिस्टम को, वुड बिकम यूजलेस, वो फिर कोई आपके कुछ भी काम की नहीं रहती. ऑल्सो इफ इट हैज़ ए bridging device or a central linking server that fails the entire network, okay, that fails the entire network would also come to standstill. To deal with these problems, huge networks should have a powerful computer to see serve file as serve to make setting up and maintaining the network easier. Okay, it lack robustness means what? It's the ability of a computer system. ये क्या है? एक ability computer system की to with errors. Okay, and also to deal with this problem, huge network should have a powerful computer to serve as file server to make setting up and maintaining the network easier. Maintain रखने के लिए network को, okay, इसका use करते. Now see, it requires an efficient handler. Okay, it requires an efficient handler. For a computer network to work efficiently and optimally, it requires high technical skills and know how of its operation and administration. A person just having a basic skills cannot do this job. Means what? In computing and computer programming, expression handling is the process. इसमें क्या करना पड़ता है? आपको प्रोसेस से हैंडल करना पड़ती है. इन कंप्यूटिंग एंड कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग, a person just having a basic skill cannot do this job. Take note that the responsibility to handle such a system is high, as allotting permission and passwords can be daunting. Similarly, network configuration and connection is very tedious and cannot be done by an average technician who does not have advanced knowledge. जिसके पास ये knowledge नहीं है वो इस हैंडल नहीं कर सकता. A person cannot handle this. Okay, it is in computing, it is a computer programming handling this process. Okay,